Assalamualaikum. My name is Shalmira, standard 3rd D. My school name is Asadullah Khan, English High School and Junior College. My topic name is Save Water. A hearty welcome to all the teachers and students present in the auditorium. I am here to convey a speech of Save Water. We all know that water is the most useful resource on earth. Also, we all are aware of its immense uses. A Urdu quote showing importance of water that पूरी दुनिया अभी मैं किसी हाथों से ना लूं, पूरी दुनिया अभी मैं किसी हाथों से ना लूं, एक कतरा पानी भी जिंदगी है अगर तू दे दे, एक कतरा पानी भी जिंदगी है अगर तू दे दे. We cannot imagine our lives without water. Moreover, we use water for household, agriculture, industry and other purposes. Also, it is used for environmental purposes. Although 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water, yet only 1% of fresh water is available for drinking. Most of our household tasks cannot be completed without water. Also, in industries, it is used for the preparation of goods and products. Furthermore, it assists in transportation too. I am finishing my few words with this Urdu line. वो दो बूंदे मीठे पानी की, वो दो बूंदे मीठे पानी की, उस जैसा कोई अनमोल नहीं, उस जैसा कोई अनमोल नहीं. समंदर में बहुत है पानी, समंदर में बहुत है पानी, पर उसका कोई मोल नहीं, पर उसका कोई मोल नहीं. थैंक यू. जज़ाकल्लाह.